Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I did my jumbo passion twist. Stay tuned. All I have done so far is added the rubber bands using the Shine and Jam, the red jar, and I'm just going to be placing the crochet hook through the rubber band and adding the water wave here. I'll start off with 2 pieces of hair. Make sure one is longer than the other to add length to it. Before I start twisting, I make sure that I split my natural hair in 2 pieces and then I start. I'm going to keep adding hair to ensure that the thickness stays throughout the twist. As the braid gets longer, I just place it in my mouth and continue to twist as I would do with regular locks or box braids. If anyone was wondering, this style only lasted a week. It does not last. Passion twist does not last long. I don't know why people think that, but it does not. And when my clients ask me to do it on them, I always decline because I don't need anybody coming to me in the next 2-3 days telling me that their braids are coming out. It is going to come out because the hair is simply too soft. I only did this style because I was going to the bowling alley and it was quick, and I felt like a wig would have been too much, so I did a style that would have took only about 3 hours. I'm just going to repeat the same steps for the rest of the video. You guys can continue watching, but that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. All the products I use will be in the description box down below. Thank you.